60 years, the Trapp Company has manufactured quality storm windows in the Detroit area. The introduction of the third generation Snowbird storm window continues our great tradition of producing top quality products. If you are considering upgrading your present windows, the Snowbird is an excellent money-saving and energy-conserving alternative to replacement windows. The Snowbird is a tight window that keeps warm air in and cold air out. Welded corner construction, fin-type weather stripping, and a unique 3-track design create the weather trap, an important energy-efficient feature that reduces air infiltration by almost 2/3 over other currently popular windows. The Snowbird is brand new and the right choice for energy-conscious consumers.
Hello, my name is Dick Trapp. We've been making storm windows for a long time now, and over the years we've seen just about every type of construction. And we've used that knowledge and experience to incorporate some of the best ideas into our new Snowbird storm window.
A storm window is put on the outside of a home to save energy. The airspace that is created between the inside prime window and the outside storm window helps to insulate the home. The less outside air the storm window lets in, the greater the savings.
A storm window is an excellent money-saving way of improving the thermal performance of both single and double glazed windows.
First generation storm windows were fairly tight units and didn't allow much air infiltration. But after a year or two of weathering, pitting and corrosion made the window almost impossible to operate. Second generation storm windows, which are still on the market today, have anti-friction materials that make the operation of the window easier. But these windows are not as tight and they allow far too much air infiltration. By combining the tight fit of the first generation with the ease of operation found in the second, we have created this third generation storm window, the Snowbird. This unique window's exclusive frame design makes it easy to operate and provides better insulation.
To show you what I mean, let's compare the Snowbird to an ordinary storm window so that you may see the difference.
This is a second generation storm window, typical of what's being sold today. Tests have proven that conventional storm windows like these have tremendous air leakages. To demonstrate these air leaks, we have put this window in a testing rack. This gauge indicates an air pressure equal to a 20-mile-an-hour wind blowing directly at the window. This gauge measures the amount of air leaking through the window. Watch the reading as we turn on the blower. Now watch as the lighter is used to demonstrate the amount of air infiltration coming through the window. See, there is so much air leakage that the flame can't stay lit. Now let's check the readings. The CFM, or cubic feet of air infiltration per minute, was up around 21. This is much too high to be acceptable, but this is typical performance for storm windows on the market today. The worst leak in this window is caused by the air entering here at the bottom corner of the outside sash. The air then funnels along the entire length of both side rails with enough force to blow the flame of the lighter out. Any additional wind pressure also pushes the sash away from the weather strip, which allows even more air to get through.
Most of today's storm windows are still designed this way, and as you can see, they're not very energy efficient.
Now let's look at how the Snowbird window performs in the testing rack. We'll blow the same 20-mile-an-hour wind at the window and record the amount of air infiltration. It's just slightly above 7 CFM of air infiltration. That means we're cutting air infiltration by about 2/3 over the second generation window. Let's see how the lighter flame works on the side rails of the Snowbird. As you can see, the flame in the lighter is not blown out like before. This is the result of the weather trap feature. The frame design of the Snowbird is unique. The extra channel in the outside track surrounds the entire upper sash. It also acts as an anti-bow device so the wind does not blow the sash in. The weather trap feature is created by the use of a specially designed fin-type weather strip, which is applied to the inside of the upper sash. The weather strip pushes against the channel in the outside frame and seals out the outside air. We also use fin-type weather stripping on the outside of the lower sash. This creates a continuous plane of weather stripping that stops air infiltration and saves you money on your energy bills.
There are additional features to the Snowbird window that make it more energy efficient,
such as the large interlock between the upper and lower sash, which is sealed with an extra heavy fin-type weather strip that prevents air from getting in, and the inside sash anti-bow pins that maintain a positive seal and keep the insert in place. These pins are located on the side rail. A filler strip in the bottom rail preserves the continuity of weather stripping around all four sides. It also keeps the track free from outside dirt and debris. The slide bolts are made of zinc die-cast metal for strength, and they keep the window securely closed. All corners of the frame are heliarc welded to ensure strength and durability. Welded corners are a Trapp tradition and the strongest type of construction available. Because the Snowbird is an exceptionally tight storm window, condensation can at times collect on the inside surface. This shows that the window is doing its job of keeping the warm air in and the cold air out. If a home contains excessive moisture, the condensation should be controlled by reducing the amount of humidity in the house, or by opening and locking the storm window to this special condensation control position.
If you are considering replacement windows, but can't justify the high cost, remember there are many situations where a good energy-efficient storm window will do as good or even better job of saving energy. After all, it is more energy efficient to have two windows than it is to have just one. The Snowbird provides an inexpensive way to substantially upgrade the thermal performance of both single or double glazed windows.
The Snowbird's unique welded corner construction, 3-track frame, and weather trap feature reduces air infiltration by 2/3, saving both energy and money. The Trapp Company's years of experience in building quality doors and windows assures our customers will receive windows that provide satisfaction and lasting value. So, when you think of storm windows, think Snowbird. It's the right window for you.